Hello. Today we're going to be talking about the variance and standard deviation for a set of data. Now you know the other three measures of central tendency, the mean, the median, and the mode. The variance and standard deviation help us measure the spread of the data, or how far apart each number is from essentially the middle of the data. Okay, we denote variance by using the Greek letter sigma, which is squared, and you can see that right here. That's what that looks like, the sigma squared. Okay. To calculate the variance, we're going to find the mean first. We use an x bar. Okay, so that's just the letter x with a bar over top of it, and that represents the mean. We're going to find that first. We then find the difference between the mean and each value in the set. We square those values, and then we find the mean of those values. And that's how we find the variance. To find the standard deviation, we take the square root of that. Standard deviation just called sigma by itself. Okay, so make sure you have all this copied down and then follow me to the next slide. So to find the variance and standard deviation for these, we're going to find the variance first, and what we need to do is to find the mean, which you remember was x bar, and we're going to add up all 7 numbers. So 47 plus 61 plus 93 plus 22 plus 82 plus 22 plus 37. And we're going to divide by how many we have, which was 7. And our result is 52. So our mean is 52. Next, we go through when we find the difference between all of these and the number 52, our mean. So 47 minus 52 gives me negative 5. 61 minus 52 is 9. 93 minus 52 is 41. We have 22 minus 52, which is negative 30. 82 minus 52, positive 30. 22 again, minus 52, still negative 30. And then 37 minus 52, which is negative 15. Now we take all of these numbers right here, and we square them. So negative 5 squared, 9 squared, 41 squared, negative 30 squared, positive 30 squared, negative 30 squared, and negative 15 squared. Then we add all these together and find their mean. So we're going to add together 25 plus 81 plus 1681 plus 3 900s plus 225. And divide that by how many we had, and this result should give me my variance. So when I put that into the calculator, I get a result of 673.1. So there's the variance right there. If I wanted to find the standard deviation, I just take the square root of that. So the square root of sigma squared is just sigma, which would be the square root of 673.1 is 25.9. And that's the standard deviation. That's how we do that.